Hello and welcome to my channel Joy Food and Traveler. Today I am going to take you to the most beautiful village and very famous tourist attraction of the Europe. This village name is Hallstatt, and we started our journey from Rosenheim in Germany. From Rosenheim it is around 154 km. On the way we also visited Uptenau. Uptenau is a small village on the way to the Hallstatt, and yeah, we visited this village because of toboggan activity. I like to do toboggan activity a lot, and here we saw a big mountain. This mountain name is Cargogel. On and yeah, here they do this toboggan activity, and uh, with the ropeway we have to go first 1,139 meter high, and from there we have to come down with this toboggan. If you are going in summer, I would really recommend it to do this activity and spend some time here. You can even spend one full day here if you want by doing hiking, toboggan activity. Yeah, and there are many things you can do here. So route to this Hallstatt is really beautiful and full of scenery. Big mountains around you will definitely make your trip memorable. Find good location and stop your car and take a deep breath and feel the nature, and be thankful that you are here and you have such a beautiful moment in your life. So here you can see that up to now is really beautiful, and it is, yeah, full of greenery, and everywhere is mountain only. And yeah, it is really nice experience, and the weather was really good, and I recommended to visit this Hallstatt in summer so you can enjoy most of it. So this is how the view from 1139 meter. It is really nice to be in nature and to visit such a place and do this activity. This activity is suitable for all age of people. I went there with my parents, and yeah, we had really lots of fun. For them it was the first time, and it was not that difficult, and it is really enjoyable ride for us. So yeah, you can find another toboggan activity from my playlist too. There are some activities also happening near to my place where I'm living, and um, where there is a mountain, then this you can always find this kind of activity. So where to park, what to do, and yeah, what other things you can explore nearby, you can find all this information in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, if you are coming with car, then there are really lots of possibility to explore many places where it is normally not that easy to explore with local transport. After spending a really good time in Uptenau, we head towards the Hallstatt, which was our ultimate destination. And yeah, the most useful hint is, if you are going, if you want to visit the Hallstatt with your car, then just try to make sure that you reach to the Hallstatt around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so you can find the good parking place without having any problem. If you're coming in weekend or holiday, then it's really a big problem to find a parking. So for us it was also the problem. That's why we stopped somewhere near to Hallstatt, and then yeah, somehow we managed to find one parking in Hallstatt. So Hallstatt is famous because of the 16th century alpine houses, and there's a small street, and also their coffee shops and museums and these kind of things. We also visited a salt mine, and World Heritage. This is World Heritage salt mine, and as well as we visited this skywalk. From skywalk, you have really good view of Hallstatt village and the lake and mountain around, surrounded surrounded by it. So you can do many activities here, and this all information is in my description box. Also, I put the route information too, so from there you have the good overview. If you are planning to make your journey from Germany, then this route might be helpful for you. Kindly check it out in my description box. So skywalk is really a good experience for us as well. So normally skywalk and salt mine visit is in one ticket, so you can do this activity in one go. Unfortunately, salt mine, it was quite dark, so I want to take video of it. But yeah, the skywalk video is there. Then we spent some time to explore the city, as it's a small village actually, so it will not take more time. But yeah, enjoy the nature, enjoy the lake, enjoy the mountains, view surrounded by, and just walk slowly. Then you can spend easily 2 3 4 hours here. So in Hallstatt, you can do many activities like visiting salt mine, trekking around this place. I can say it must do activity. If you are not fan of trekking, then boating is also an option for you. So normally, for boating, it costs around 10 to 12 euro, and you can spend 3 to 4 hours in boating, and they do boating in this lake and take you um, in between the mountains, and from there you have also really good view. But if you want to visit the salt mine and also this panoramic skywalk, then boat activity is not possible, because then otherwise you have to be really fast, and I don't recommend it to do all this activity in one day. Just make selection or make choice what you want to do on that particular day, and according to that just follow. Normally it make no sense to do hurry to visit any place, so take your time and enjoy the place here. There is also that waterfall you can see, and by trekking you can also reach there easily. City center is really beautiful, and the atmosphere is really pleasant. Here food and drinks are easily available, but it is still advisable to bring your food and water. Here you can easily spend 2 days. If you are looking for any other information, then please write down in my comment box so I can give you the feedback there. And yeah, as I said, parking information and other useful information is already in my description box, so kindly check it out. Hallstatt is always full with the tourists, and I came here almost 3 to 4 times, and most all of the time I have found lots of tourists over here from all around the world. So you can imagine this is really an must visit place and also most popular among the tourists. So we spent almost all day here, and then after having the good day, we started back to the Rosenheim from where we start. It was a really unique experience for us. I hope you guys also like my video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. It's really I really appreciate it, and thank you very much, guys, for being here. Hope to see you in next video. Have fun. Bye bye.